Before we start building workflows, let's understand the 5 core concepts that make n8n work. Think of these as the building blocks. Once you grasp these fundamentals, everything else will just click into place. First up, workflows. A workflow is your automation blueprint. It's a visual map showing how data flows from one action to the other. Imagine you're planning a road trip. Your workflow is like the map. It shows you where you start, where you're going, and all the stops along the way. Each workflow has a unique purpose, whether it's processing customer orders, syncing data between systems, or sending automated reports. In n8n, workflows live on the canvas, where you can see the entire automation at a glance. You can have dozens or even hundreds of workflows, each handling different tasks for your business or personal needs. The beauty is that workflows run independently. One workflow might run every hour checking for new emails, while another triggers only when someone fills out a form. They're like employees who know exactly what to do and when to do it. Now let's talk about nodes, the heart of every workflow. If workflows are roadmaps, nodes are the destinations and actions along the route. Each node represents one specific task. It might be get data from Google Sheets, or send a Slack message, or check if a number is greater than 100. Every app connection, every data transformation, every decision point, they're all nodes. n8n comes with over 400 built-in nodes, covering popular services like Gmail, Dropbox, Twitter or X, databases, and more. But here's the key insight. Nodes are simple by design. Each one does one thing and one thing well. This simplicity is what makes n8n so powerful. You build complex automations by combining simple pieces. Think of nodes like Lego blocks. Individually, they're basic, but when you connect them together, you can build anything from a simple notification system or a complex data processing pipeline. Connections are the lines between the nodes. They define how data flows through your workflow. But they're more than just arrows on a screen. When you connect two nodes, you're creating a data pipeline. The output from one node becomes the input for the next. It's like a relay race where each runner passes the baton to the next. Here's what makes connections smart. They don't just carry data, but they also carry context. If your first node fetches 10 customer records, the connection passes all 10 records to the next node. If that node filters it down to 3, then only those 3 move forward. You can also create branching connections. Maybe you want to send emails to one group of customers and SMS messages to another. One node can connect to multiple nodes, creating parallel paths in your workflow. This is where the visual nature of n8n really shines. You can see exactly how your automation branches and merges. Every time your workflow runs, that's an execution. Think of an execution as the history book or logs of your automation. An execution captures everything: when the workflow started, what data it processed, which path it took through your nodes, and whether it succeeded or hit errors. It's like having a security camera recording every step of your automation. This is extremely powerful for debugging. If something goes wrong at 3 a.m., you can check the execution history in the morning and see exactly what happened. You can see the actual data that flowed through each node, making it easy to spot where things went sideways. Executions also help you understand performance. You can see which workflows run most often, which ones take the longest, and where the bottlenecks might be hiding. It's like having analytics for your automations. Last but not least, credentials. These are the keys that let n8n talk to your other apps and services. When you want n8n to access your Gmail or post to Twitter or X or read from your database, it needs permission. Credentials store this authentication information securely. Think of them as digital ID cards that prove n8n is allowed to act on your behalf. The important thing to understand is that credentials are separate from nodes. You create a Gmail credential once, and then any workflow you create can use it. This means you don't have to re-enter your passwords every time you build a new automation. N8n takes security very seriously. Credentials are encrypted and stored safely. When you share your workflows with your team members, the credentials don't come along. Each person has to use their own. This keeps your passwords private while still allowing collaboration. These 5 concepts, workflows, nodes, connections, executions, and credentials, are the foundation of everything you'll build with n8n. Workflows organize your automations, nodes perform the actions, connections direct the flow, executions track what happened, and credentials provide secure access. Master these concepts, and you're ready to automate like a pro. In our next lesson, we'll put this knowledge to work as we explore the interface and start building our first workflow. Let's go.